Phone of Sanitizer, Portable UV Light Cell Phone Sterilizer, Aromatherapy Function Disinfector, Cell Phone Cleaners UV Light Sanitizer Box for iOS Android Smartphones Jewelry Watch. UV Cell Phone Sanitizer Germicidal UV Light eliminates up to 99% of germs and bacteria. Dual UV bulbs, sanitizes your device in less than 8 minutes. Protect yourself and those closest to you by sanitizing your phone regularly. This smartphone sterilizer box to kill 99.9% of common household germs such as staph, E. coli and salmonella. Includes an accessories basket for small devices such as toothbrushes, masks, ladies, baby underwear, jewelry, makeup tools, watches, coins, etc. Sterilize all phones, cell phones and smartphones up to 6 inches, compatible with Huawei P30 Pro, P30, P20 Pro, P20, P10 Plus, P10, Mate 20 Pro, Mate 20, Mate 20X, iPhone XXS, XR, XS Max 8 7th 6.5s SE, Samsung Galaxy S7 Note 5 and LG G3.Great for iPods, MP3 players, wireless Bluetooth earphones, toothbrushes, watches, toys, pacifiers, eyeglasses, keys, jewelry and smartphone cleaner. Aromatherapy function. Put essential oil, not included on the aromatherapy inlet. Press aromatherapy switch to start having aroma humidifier for your device. It stops automatically after 8 minutes while aromatherapy is finishing, and your device smells very wonderful. Portable and easy to use. The sleek, ergonomic and compact design of our phone sanitizer makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. Put the smartphone into the sanitizer case, touch the button, disinfect it in 5 minutes, easy and safe to operate. Double sterilization is achieved by strong UV and ozone sterilization, which kills 99.9% of bacteria. Fashion design and beautiful product box, perfect holiday gift for friends and family. Suitable for people who cares about health, for the old. Gift choice presented in a stylish box, it's an ideal gift for germophobes and must have. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.